What's up guys? It's me again, Yeldo, and today I will be sharing sa inyo about sa mga dapat mong gawin bago mag-mix ng kanta. Alright, so let's get started. So all of this is my preference. Maybe magkaiba tayo ng preparation sa pagmimix, pero this might help you if beginner ka pa. So the first thing na ginagawa ko is finding the tempo of the beat. And this is very important na tama yung pag-input mo ng tempo sa beat ninyo. Kasi when mixing, mas pinapadali nito yung editing ng song in terms of placing hooks sa second part or sa third part. And this will help also para mag-sync perfectly yung mga time-based effects ninyo. Just like the delays and reverb.
Nang biglang may dumaan na kay ganda na dilag. Pagtanaw na pasayaw ang puso na pa-indap. Pagising ba kape, ba't ako na in love? Ooh! Kilig ang hatid ng tin.
Okay, so sa pag-determine naman ng key ng song, you can use plugins just like Auto Key or Crispy Scale, or you can use TuneBat for faster results. So third is label and color your tracks. So coloring and labeling in mixing is very important kasi it helps us na i-navigate easily sa mga different elements ng tracks. For example, we can easily see kung saan ba yung hook, verse, or any sections ng kanta. So napapasmooth neto yung mixing process at para na rin mas enjoyable at efficient ang pagmimix natin. So fourth is setting markers. This will be our guide sa mga key points ng song. And this can be helpful if madami kayo sa isang track or maybe you are mixing films. So in short, pinapadali nito yung pag-navigate sa mga sections ng song natin. So my last tip naman is by trimming your clips or removing dead airs. Even though wala siyang sound or waveform just like this, yes, it is a complete silence pero pinaprocess pa rin ito ng computer or laptop natin, so it uses extra CPU. So by doing this, nilalighten na to yung processing sa load ng computer by removing the dead air. So here in FL Studio, mano-mano mo siyang ititrim. Sa Pro Tools naman, you can just hit one button at madedetect niya yung mga silence and you can easily trim it right away. If any one of you knows kung may other way pa ba sa pagtitrim automatically dito sa FL, please comment lang down below. Okay, so that is my 5 tips sa mga dapat mong gawin bago mag-mix ng kanta. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, please leave a like and share kung nagustuhan mo rin. And as always, thanks for watching and see you again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye!